Ideal Industries is a 110-year-old family-owned manufacturing company focused on power management.
Ideal's footprint globally encompasses not just North America. We've got offices in Canada, India, Shenzhen, Hong Kong, Shanghai, Germany, and the UK.
We operate globally, which requires remote collaboration for the organizations. We wanted to make sure as an IT organization they had the tools they needed to be able to collaborate effectively.
Prior to engaging Netrix on this project, we had 2 or 3 different products in the environment, each one with its own unique challenges and experiences. Each facility had different technology, and it usually required 2 or 3 people to get a meeting going.
And that just inevitably leads to really diminish the employee experience and the ability to effectively collaborate. It was really great to see Netrix's ability to come to us and understand how we go to business and not look at it as a transaction, but rather partnership and help us operate at the pace we need to, but also be there to challenge us when you can provide expertise that we maybe don't have.
Netrix had a showroom showcase of technologies, and they were just very helpful in determining what that end result from a collaboration or team room was, because there's so many technologies out there. As we've upgraded our conference rooms from the previous technology to MS Teams rooms, partnering with Netrix, we've seen a much smoother experience for not only our executives, but our day-to-day users.
It all comes down to that, precious 60 or 90 seconds that someone walks into the room and wants to quickly start a meeting. And that really is the difference between a frustrated customer or a satisfied customer.
Since the cohesiveness of the platform actually has a management backplane, we're able to get alerts into our ITSM system to address equipment failures or reboots prior to the users coming into the room. That was non-existent previously.
If I were to make a recommendation to a peer going on a similar journey to this, I would certainly remind them to be thinking about that employee experience and making it as seamless as possible. The more we can be consistent and easy to use, the more our employees will interact with the technology and the more value we'll extract from it.
For anybody looking to do a conference room upgrade, Netrix is a great partner to work with. I don't believe we would even look at another partner to help us with this, given the success we've had with Netrix, their flexibility and adaptability to deploy resources and or work with partners in areas of the globe that they don't have resources to help Ideal roll out the footprint that we're looking to do.